Joining me now is Shane O'Grady, the founder of Life Changer Loan. And thank you so much, Shane, for being here with us today.
Yeah, Kate, thanks for having me.
Very excited to jump into the topic of how to pay off your home in less than 10 years without changing your normal spending habits. That sounds very enticing. So first, let's just talk about those great low rates we're hearing about. Trying to make sense of all this, is that a good thing?
Well, make no mistake, low rates are better than high rates. But the question really is, are low rates yielding us low interest? Because yes, they're low rates, 3.5, 3 might be low, but it's also times 30 years. So for example, on a $300,000 loan at 3.5%, you're still going to be spending $185,000 in interest. And in my mind, that's not low interest.
Yeah, so how is a Life Changer loan different?
Imagine if your checking account actually supplied you the credit for your mortgage. So for example, if every dollar that you earn, that you normally deposit through your normal checking account, could go directly towards the principal balance on the loan, so that you were paying principal first, not interest, and you were doing it with every dollar you earn, and you could do it because you have access to the money. So you put it all in there and you spend out of there. As long as there's a gap between that deposit and expense, it gets a snowball effect and allows you to pay off very quickly without changing anything. But also, it's a great backstop for us because in times of trouble, in times of turmoil, you actually have access to every single dollar you've ever made in mortgage payments. So you have access to all of your equity. So if you wanted to take some time off and not make deposits for a month or 10 or a few years, you could, so you don't have the stress of the large mortgage payment every month.
So is this brand a new concept?
So no, it's been in other countries for decades. In fact, 40% of all the mortgages done in Australia are done on this loan. They're called offset loans in other countries because you're offsetting the principal balance with your income.
And then is this loan for everybody?
Unfortunately not. It is for the financially astute, right? Those that are good with their money, have good credit, have at least about a 20% equity position, or if they're purchasing, they're going to be putting about 20% down. That's who it's for.
What is the process to see if this is a good fit for you?
We always encourage people to start at lifechangerloan.com so they can get a little familiar with how this works, and then call us. We will actually do a screen share and walk through the simulator together to see exactly how quickly they pay off, and of course answer all their questions.
Thank you so much, Shane, for joining us.
Thank you.
And if you would like more information on Life Changer Loan, visit their website.